And welcome to week 2 of the course here. So we'll do the same thing like I did last week. If you're in two courses, I pick one of the courses to do my little motivation thing. So that's in the other course, and you can reply to that, in both. You can copy and paste from the other course into this one as far as the reply. Just make sure you do the reply. And so right into the course here. We're into week 2 now. So week 2, you've got uh, 3 chapters or 4. Okay, so you got uh, efficient capital markets, introduction to portfolio management, introduction to asset pricing models, and multi-factor models of risk and return. So I do know this is a lot of information. Uh, but these courses are designed not to make you an expert at a particular topic of the course, but to understand it and know what you're looking at. I mentioned in the other the course about depending on what you're going to be doing in the future, but regardless of what it is in a business or running a business environment. And when I say business, I mean that's all industries. It can be a medical office. So an example would be. You got a group of doctors and you're running, but you're the office manager, and somebody walked in and said, hey, we want to see if you're interested in doing your 401ks with us. Well, they are probably going to look at someone like you and say, hey, research this. So this is why you need to know how to do the research, but you also need to know what you're looking at. So as far as investments and how portfolios work, and diversification of you know plans. If you're working for a business, knowing what to look for in a P&L. If something don't look right, or if you're dealing with international company, there's a ton of scenarios that can apply to why you need to know this type of material. So, and therefore that's why it's part of the program. All right. So again, don't where are we at here? Project. Don't procrastinate on a project. Uh, you're supposed to do your initial. So for here, this is based on that first. Is based on being active in the Market Watch game. So I got the game up here. Uh, as of this is Saturday, so two of you I've heard from a few, um, and you're supposed to be in the game and active. If you have a problem getting in there, you should be getting in touch with me. Uh, Now, two of you have told me you've gotten in or, are in there, but I'm not seeing it. So now I may not be seeing it because you got registered and in there, but you didn't do any investing. So that might be why. Because when I look at rankings, uh, it should have other names here. I, I was trying to make sure I'm the right way to get in here, so I registered it under another second email address. So that's why I'm in there twice. Uh, so again, when you first get to the Market Watch site, uh, you have to register. All right. So you're going to go through a registration process, uh, create your own password and everything. Then once you get done there and you come back to the site, you just click on your name up there and you go down to games, and that'll take you to the game that you registered in. All right. So and that's that there. So that gets us in there. So if you're having a problem, let me know, because part of your first paper is tracking what you did. There's other factors in that paper, but the thing is understanding how it all works. And also, you can't break anything. Again, I mentioned that a few times. So, but anyway, so that's that part. Otherwise, so I will quit here, and if you got any questions, again, 7 days a week. You don't need to wait or anything like that. So just let me know if you got a question, and again, I'll let you know. Oh, but wait, almost forgot the. Well, you saw a test question in the other, yeah, with the grandkids there. So just do that, and I'll let you go. All right, have a great week. Get in touch if you need something.